Because even though you're growing.
Yeah. I get. But my sister Maya, no, show me how to grow up.
Someone's going to show you how to grow up.
Yeah.
Oh,
my sister Maya.
Okay. But she's younger than you.
Yeah, she's younger to me. So
Hi,
she
Brayden.
showed me how to grow up.
How?
Okay.
She showed me how to grow like a pole.
How?
Okay. Well, you sure look cute today.
Uh-huh.
I see your chest. I see something on your chest.
Where?
What is it?
A moose?
No, it's your little titty.
Right here?
No, on your chest.
What?
Down
Oh,
here
no.
on your chest.
This?
Yeah, I saw something
You
there.
say you need me.
I saw something.
This?
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone now.
I'm gonna show you something.
Okay.
There's a tornado.
There's a what?
This tornado scary.
Hi, Brayden. What are you saying?
I have to play ball.
You have to play ball. That's all you play. Ball. My goodness.
Hey, Mima, there's a tornado by.
Tornado, I know.
There's a
You guys-
tornado. Just the tornado blow the houses.
They blew the houses.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yours didn't blow down, did it?
No. But all the neighbor houses.
I saw them.
Oh.
Those
But my house is still blowing little.
I know. Yours is fine. Yours didn't get hurt too bad, did it?
But the man's gonna paint our house.
Okay.
And the man gonna paint the roof. We're gonna get a new roof.
It'll be nice, won't it? It'll be all clean.
Uh-huh.
It'll get all cleaned up.
Yeah. The man gonna clean our house.
It sure is.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
And then the man gonna paint our house.
Well, it'll look nice when they get done, won't it?
Uh-huh.
Good.
They're gonna paint neighbors' houses, and they will be cleaned up.
Okay. Well, listen, I'm going to have to get off the phone. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, and I love you guys.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Love you, Brayden. Love you, Katie. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay.